Let me tell you about this place at 350 Cabrini. It's in Hudson Heights, which is the best kept secret in NYC. There's river views in every room and luscious hardwood floors. This 2-bed and 2-bathroom could be yours. So if you like these bookshelves and you think this kitchen looks real fine, make sure to drop Kim Hastie a line. It's what you've always dreamed of, and I know you're gonna be in love with this dining room and this living room and the entire neighborhood. So listen when I say, I know you're gonna love 7K. 7K, ladies and gentlemen.